Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create business offer landing page hero using custom shapes. We start with a web hero section size canvas, then we create background wave shapes for visual flow. After that, CTA buttons are designed using filled shapes. Next, value points are placed inside shapes pages. Now hierarchy is improved using size variation in shape. After final alignment, the design feels conversation ready. In the end, we export assets for landing pages use. Thanks for